Loop Video Maker applications for Boomerang on Android are specialized tools designed to create short looping videos that play forward and backward, mimicking the popular Boomerang feature from Instagram. These apps allow users to effortlessly capture moments and turn them into fun, attention-grabbing clips that enhance social media storytelling and engagement. They usually offer a user-friendly interface, enabling easy recording, editing, and customization of videos, including options for adding music, effects, and filters to enhance creativity. Most Loop Video Maker apps also provide editing features like trimming, adjusting playback speed, and incorporating text to help users personalize their creations and make them more relatable. Additionally, many apps include a library of preset styles and themes, allowing for quicker production. By simplifying the process of making looped videos, these applications empower users to share playful and dynamic content, making them ideal for personal memories, promotional material, or engaging social media posts that stand out in a crowded feed and capture the viewer's attention.